Today's capture is about creating a new document in Photoshop, where to find tools that are sometimes hidden, and how to create a grid. So we need Photoshop open, File, New, Control N. That brings up the dialog box for a new item. These are my measurements for this. So 21.95 centimeters by 32.78 centimeters. And I'm leaving it at 300 pixels per inch because that's a decent print quality if you want to go to print. Create. And there's my document. This is basically the size of an A4 sheet of paper. Here I have a blank document, and what I want to do is put a grid overlay that you can see when you print it. So we need to go into Filter and Vanishing Point. Alt Control V brings up this window. But I do have this little plane, so I have to create a plane first. I'm going to put my square in each corner, drag down. I'm being as careful as possible. The square itself sits in the corner of the document. Each corner, go around the outside, and there I've created a grid overlay. This measurement and these settings, my grid size, I'm putting at 426. And that will give me a rule of thirds grid. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 across by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 down. So that basically divides it up in. There we go. That looks renderable. So it turned from yellow to blue, and now I can render it, I hope. Go into settings and yes, render grids to Photoshop. So now that was visible. I did it. And now I can hit OK. And you can see that there is a grid on that image there. File, save as. I always save as a copy to start with. I save it as PSD. Good. Double click on it and it will open Photoshop as well. So I'll save that. And there we have a rule of thirds grid.